In this video, I'll show you how to stop power button from ending calls on Android phone. If any Android phone end up the call just by pressing the power button, then here's how you can stop and disable this feature. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. What's not to stop power button from ending calls, the very first thing that you have to do, go ahead and open up the settings tab from your Android phone, and from the settings homepage, go and tap on this search bar at the top and simply go ahead and search for power. And once you have searched with the power, you'll get to see the search result power button in calls. So you just need to find out the related settings and go and tap on the second option, power button in calls. And once you tap on this will directly take you to that specific settings. And inside this one, you'll get to see the power button in calls is enabled. So now to disable or stop ending the call from the power button, you just need to toggle off this option and you're pretty much good to go. And from now, your power button will no longer end the call. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.